In this tutorial I will explain how you can edit the PDF files easily. So this is the PDF file and I want to edit the PDF file. So how you can edit this PDF file easily? So let's try. So simply go to the website lightpdf.com. So in this website you will find the option edit PDF. So it's a very good website. And here you can see the option edit PDF, and there are so many other options available. You can compress the PDF, you can merge the PDF, you can chat with the PDF, you can convert the PDF to Word. So simply click on edit PDF. So you can see the online PDF editor. Here you just upload your PDF file. So this is the PDF file. It will take some time in uploading, depends upon your internet speed. So once this file is uploaded, you can see the file is being uploaded, and you can also try the other PDF tools on this website, and you can see there are so many PDF tools available: PDF watermark remover, PDF eraser, PDF to text, PDF to PNG, AI summarizer, and there are so many other options available. Okay, and now you can see my PDF file, and now I want to edit this PDF file. This PDF file has been uploaded. Simply click anywhere and you can see you can edit the PDF file easily. So you can see I can edit the PDF file easily. You can see how easy it is to edit the PDF file. Okay, so you can edit the PDF file easily. Okay, so now if you want to underline anything, you can underline anything. You can change the color. You can try these options. So with the help of this, you can easily convert the you can easily edit the PDF file. So you can see if you want to remove anything, you can remove on the PDF file, and once you have done, okay, you can download the PDF file from here. So simply click here, and here you can download the PDF file. So it will take some time, and then your file will be downloaded, your edited file will be downloaded. So that's all. So with the help of this website, you can edit the PDF file easily, and you can even try the different PDF tools on the website. So thank you for watching.